Hello guys! Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-book dito sa X. Bate, ito lang sundan nyo. Open nyo ang tong AirPass pag naka-download mo kayo. Okay, check one way or round trip. And then, check nyo yung destination kung saan kayo pupunta. Yan, check nyo lang. Tapos, hanapin nyo kung saan yung pupuntahan yung lugar. And then, after that, pag-search nyo, choose the date kung kailan yung departure nyo, kung kailan alis nyo. Tapos, i-check nyo yung return, kung kailan kayo babalik. Yan. Pagkatapos niyan is, check nyo kung ilan kayo. Ano ba? Isa, dalawa. Add na kayo doon sa traveler's add. Then, search the flight. Ayan, waiting, loading pa. And then, after that, tayo nyo mag-loading. Hanggang mag 100% yan yung sa find your deals flight. Ayan na. So, ayan. Scroll down. Check nyo yung preferred time zone nyo. Nakavary yung price amount ng ticket. Yan. Magbababa pa kayo, mas mahal. Kasi yung mid of the morning, mostly, yan yung pinaka-murang flights. Ayan. Pag naka-choose na kayo, ayan. So, since it's 2,143 ang price, ita times 2 nyo, it's because we're doing like a round trip travel. So, ayan, economy saver, it means you add 110 kilogram of luggage. Kapag mag-swipe kayo more doon sa right side, mas mahal kasi 20, 30, 40 luggage ayan. So, pag nag-search kayo, ayan na yan, is for the round trip, ayan na yung pabalik yung oras ng flight. So, ayan, mababari pa rin siya sa time kung ano ang pipiliin nyo. Yan. Pag magda-down kayo is the more na mas mamahal kasi kapag mga tanghali, mostly mahal talaga. So, ayan, pipili natin is Philippine Airline. So, it's 12:40. 13, it's afternoon. So, 12:40 ng hapon, bawat na. 13, 10, it's 1:50 in the afternoon. Yan. Yan, pag nag-choose kayo, yan, 7 kilo luggage natin. Example lang yan na Boracay. So, pag check out kayo, of course, need kasi tayo mag-check out. It's because it's only a tutorial. Ayan. So, back lang tayo. Back. And then, after that, yan. Tayo doon sa my settings. Orders. Doon niya papasok yung ating itinerary. Ayan. Pag swipe kayo dyan dadating mo, mostly 8 hours lang talaga siya. Ang dadating yung ating itinerary. Dyan papasok then through your email. So, just be careful na dapat correct information yung email address nyo. Ayan. So, we already booked. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps. God bless you all.